Hello everyone. In last video we have already done the dimensional analysis and its problems. Okay. In this video we are going to learn about significant figures. Okay. Before that, first of all you tell me a question. A mass of a body is 3.0 kg. Now you have first option 3 into 10 to the power 3 gram, 3.0 into 10 to the power 3 gram, 0.3 into 10 to the power 4 gram, and all of the above. Now you think which one will be the correct answer? Think. Say 3.0 kg means what? You pause the video, you can solve it by yourself. Say 3.0 kg means 3000 gram. Okay, so the first option is 3 into 10 to the power 3 gram, 3.0 into 10 to the power 3 gram. Okay, or you can write 0.3 into 10 to the power 4 gram. It means what do you think? All the three options are correct. It means you think all of the above. Okay. No, students, actually the correct answer is number B, not D, because it's an 11th standard question. Okay, so why answer B is correct? Why? For that you have to learn the significant figures. Yes, so let's start. Significant figures. In significant figures, in your book, any book, there's a many rules are there. Okay, which you have to follow to finding the number of significant figure. But I have a trick to remember how many significant figure you can find with the help of only two rules. That's all. Listen student. Significant figures, suppose we take two numbers, one for non-decimal and another for decimal numbers. Okay, one for non-decimal and for decimal number. We take an example. Suppose non-decimal 0 0 0 1 2 3 0 4 5, then again 0 0 0. Students, if the number is non-decimal, there is a no point. It means non-decimal number. There is a no decimal place, so non-decimal number. In non-decimal cases, see how many significant figures are there. See, students, you can ignore the first zero, cross, and the last zero, cross. But the middle zero you can take as a significant figure. So the number of significant figures are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there is 6 SF. SF means significant figures. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 significant figure. Middle zero, you can take middle zero, but the front zero and the back zero you can cancel these zeros. Only the numbers. These numbers 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, 5 are the significant figure. So it's very easy. Our next example is for decimal. Okay, so think a number 0.000. Same number I've taken 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, 5. Then again, okay, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 0, 4, 5. Then again think 0, 0. Okay. See students, in this decimal cases, if the number is decimal number, listen very carefully. If the number is decimal number, then you can ignore the front zero. That's all. Okay, you just ignore cross. Ignore it and only take this amount of numbers, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last zero you have to count the last zero also, because there is a decimal place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 SF. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 SF. So there is 8 significant figures. Okay. So now students, you try this 1, 2, these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 questions. Solve it. Just write how many significant figures are there. How many number of significant figures? Just put the number of significant figures. You just pause the video and try it yourself. Just pause the video and try it yourself. There is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 numbers given. You have to find the number of significant figures. Please pause the video and try it yourself. Just follow these two rules and try it. Done. Now see, in this number there is only non-decimal number. It means you can ignore this 0. So the card is 1, 2, 3, 3 SF. So there is 3 SF. Now take this number 3.1 in 10 to the power minus 31. In that case, you can ignore 10 to the power minus 31 because the significant figure. Please note down in your copy. Significant figure units significant figure does not depend on unit. Significant figures, number of significant figures does not depend on the unit. So, okay, so 3 point, this is the mass of the electron. 3.1 into 10 to the power 31 case. So the number of significant figures is 1 and 2, only 2. 3.1, so 2 SF. Okay, for this case these are decimals. See, in the decimal cases 3.10, so you have to count the last 0 also, because here already we have count the last digit. So 3.10 means 3 SF. In number 4, you tell me 130, how many significant figures are there? 3. No, 2 significant figures. See, last 0 also, you have to cancel the last 0 also. 1 and 3, only 2 SF. Number 5, 270 into 10 to the power 10 square. It means 10 square means 270. So here student, only you have take, these are non-decimal or decimal? This is a non-decimal number. So for non-decimal number, you count only the 2 and 7. So there is 2 SF, no doubt. In this case 0.02, front 0 cancel, only 2, so 1 SF. In this case number 7, 4.004, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, no doubt 4 SF. All numbers are SF, significant. 3, 4, 3.00000, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to take the all decimal places 0. So 6 SF. In number 9 case 1, 2, 2 SF. We can ignore the front 0. And number 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. Middle 0, you have to count middle 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. Now students, I think you understood why the option B is correct in this question. Why? Because see, 3.0 kg, there 2 significant figures. How many in the question? How many significant figures are there? 1 and 2. So 2 SF. So the answer should be 2 SF. Answer should be 2 SF. So this is 1 SF. But number B 3.0. So you must count this number. So 1 and 2. So it will be 2 SF. And this case, see how many? 1 SF. And so the correct answer is B, because the question has 2 SF. So the answer will be 2 SF. In the next video, we'll learn about the round off. So I think you already understood the significant figures. Now you try it yourself. Okay. In the next video, we'll start with rounding off. Okay. Thank you, students.